developed the powertrain together with the ABT for this new season for the car. The powertrain means the complete motor, electric motor, and a complete new transmission. And of course, the new driving software that is related to that. So we expect a lot, but in racing you never know what happens.
I think to finish in second place was a good result. But in the end we saw that Renault was quite good. But also we checked our data and all the things what we can do, and we find out that we have also a little bit of improvement, and I hope we can close the gap.
Malaysia is a different track to Beijing. First of all, it has a very twisty section, and second and third sector are very tight and twisty corners, and quite some heavy bumps in the third sector. And that is something we know from last year. So we take this into account when we come here. We take the data that we get in Beijing, we take the data we have from last year, and we sort of combine it and try to find the optimum setup arriving here.
Very clear for us that we are here to win, we are not here to take part. So although the result was good, a podium is never a bad result, but we have to improve the car, we have to make sure that we are more competitive. So we spent the last 10 days working very hard on the setup, on the software, on the analysis, on how we can get better. And I'm sure that we're gonna do a big step for this race.